Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on PayPal. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open the PayPal application. Now, to buy the crypto, you are typically going to use your PayPal balance here. And this is the same balance that can transfer back and forth from your bank. So let's go to the crypto tab and tap buy. You can then select which crypto you want to buy. I'm going to click on Bitcoin. By the way, you don't get the best rates or anything using PayPal. It's not efficient, but you can use it to buy Bitcoin. If you are looking for better rates and stuff like that, you can check other things as well. I'm just going to buy $1 for this example. Hit next. Choose that I want to buy this from my balance, and it will say you are buying 0.0000 and something like this Bitcoin. It will give me the current rate, which is a worse rate, and then some transaction fee on a dollar if you are using a lot of money there. So I will tap on buy now, and as you can see, congratulations on your Bitcoin purchase. Now you own 0.02875 Bitcoin. We can send you a notification when the price changes by 5% or more. Turn on. I'm going to tap not now, and that's pretty much it. That's how to buy crypto on PayPal. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.